Hello, my name is Jang-Shing Lin and this is my CS120B final project Sky Climber for the spring quarter of 2017. My project uses an Atmega 1284 microprocessor, which takes in the input from these two SNES controllers, which then sends the data over USART to the Arduino Uno, which then powers this LED 16x32 LED matrix. Over here on the right, we have LEDs which show that the buttons are being pressed properly, and then it's very helpful in seeing that everything is working fine. So now my game has two game modes. It has a one-player mode and a two-player mode. In the one-player mode, you hit select with the player 1 controller, and then we enter the game. In this game, we see a clock, which is our current time. The time in blue here shows the current best time, and then here we have the game map, and then here we have the number of tiles left that I have to hit. So the game map is mapped to these buttons: up, right, Y, and B in that order from left to right. So if I want to hit this tile, for instance, I hit the up arrow key, the right arrow key, the up arrow key, etc. And it just progresses that way. As you just saw there, the tiles changed color, and also one of the lines on the top have been removed. That shows that I went up a level. The reason I went up so soon is because I reduced the number of tiles, so you wouldn't have to see me pressing buttons for a long period of time. Now, as you see again, the tiles change colors, and there's less of them to see, so it increases the difficulty because I can no longer look ahead and then choose which buttons to hit in which order. It's more reaction based. And then once more, it happens again, so now it's completely reaction based, and I try to get the score. So now you see that my score is in red, showing that I did not beat the high score. The high score is still here listed, and since it is red, it will not be recorded, but if it were blue, it would be recorded using EEPROM. Now, let's take a look at two-player mode. So you hit the reset button on the Arduino, and you hit the reset button on the breadboard. So now you press start and you enter two-player mode. In two-player mode, you'll see the same map as before. You have the left side map, which is player 1, and the right side map, which is player 2. And then each of these maps have identical maps, even though they're all randomly generated. They're identical in which tiles you need to press at what time. So if you noticed that the numbers on the left show how many tiles that I have hit, and the number on the right shows how many tiles I am behind. So if I play on the player 2 side, now the numbers are decreasing as I am approaching the number of tiles on the left side. So if you see red numbers above your map, you know for sure that you are behind your opponent and you need to catch up as fast as possible. Again, the goal is to reach 155 tiles as set in this demo, and if when you get there, your name will be displayed in your color, and also you'll get a nice winning screen, as you will see very soon. So there, that is my final project. Thank you for watching.